Sensibility and practicality define the 2010 Chevrolet Equinox. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.